Next up, we'll see how we can use some of the Hugging Face models in a remote environment. Let's start by copying all of the code and then I'll walk you through it. That's for models, Hugging Face, transform is client. Then we have the shell script for the test. And lastly, we have the build file. Sweet, so let's explore what's happening. Well, Hugging Face provides optimized model loaders based on the task the model performs. This Hugging Face client class supports 5 popular NLP tasks right out of the box. These include text sentiment classification, named entity recognition, fill mask, getting vector embeddings, and question answering. Alright, so what's next? Well, while initializing, you need to pass a task. And then you can provide your own model name if you have one in mind, but even if you don't have a particular model in mind, this demo provides default model for each of the 5 supported tasks. Again, more tasks can be very easily added. And then it also creates pipelines for those tasks. For example, for text sentiment classification, instead of coming up with a sentence, tokenizing it, then passing it to the model, decoding the output, Hugging Face's pipeline function makes all of that easy and simple, and you just create a pipeline with the model and the task, and then the pipeline takes care of it. Setting a pipeline for embeddings was a bit tricky, which is why I just created my own get embeddings function, which basically serves as a pipeline for getting vector embeddings of text. And then in the demo of this file, I just load all of the 5 default models and just provide a very simple model inferencing result on some sample data. So for example, for text classification, just classify the sentiment of this text. Then for named entity recognition, analyze the sentence and name all of the entities it has recognized. Then for question answering, here's some context, here's the question, and that's what the pipeline takes. For fill mask is basically fill in the blank, so we just create a mask here, and then the model will come up with replacements for this mask. And then we have some embeddings demo as well. Basically just takes 2 sentences and outputs the cosine similarity, which is the dot product. Cool. So how do we run this? We just go to the blog, copy this for remote execution, paste it, and run it. Well, we have our output from remote execution. We're using CPUs. These are the results for text classification. Here are the results for named entity recognition, the questioning answering, fill mask, and getting results from the embedding model. And that's about it. It's super simple.